Okay, let's do this one. 25 General Mathematics for Liberia, question number 28. The interior angles of a hexagon are given. We have to find the value of x. We need to know what the hexagon is, and these are the interior angles, so we can add all of them equals to the total angles. So we can say that hexagon has what? 6 sides, meaning n is what? 6. Then sum of interior angle, let me just shorten it, of any polygon, regardless whether it is a hexagon or not, is n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides, times what? 180. This will be 4 times that, 720. All this in section A. We can actually move ahead and find the sum without that multiplication out there. So this sum, as we are having 720, is the same as the addition of all of them. 107, 2x, 150, 95, 2x minus 15, 123. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what? Hexagon. All right. So let's see. We have 720 minus. Let's compute the angles that are without variable. That is 107 plus 150 plus 95 plus 123. Then minus 15, and that will give you 460. Then we add a variable one. This is 2x plus 2x. That's what? 4x. So let's subtract 720 minus 460. That will give us 260 equals to 4x. X will be equals to 260 divided by what? 4. And that will give you 65. So let's see which of the option here will be the correct answer. That will be the option what? B. This is also clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 29.